In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to insert an image in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're crafting a document for work, school, or personal use, adding images can bring your content to life, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly incorporate images into your documents using LibreOffice Writer, a powerful and free alternative to other word processing software. First things first, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once installed, you can find it in your list of programs. Go ahead and double-click the LibreOffice icon to launch the application. This will open up the main dashboard of LibreOffice, where you can access all its different components. Next, click on the Writer document option. Writer is LibreOffice's word processor akin to Microsoft Word, and it's where you'll be doing all your document editing. Selecting Writer will open a new blank document where you can start working on your project. With your document open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains various options for adding elements to your document, such as tables, charts, and of course, images. The Insert menu is located at the top left corner of the window, and it's your gateway to enriching your document with multimedia elements. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Image. This option will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your desired image is stored. Once you find the image you want to include, click on it to select it. Then click the Open button to insert the image into your document. At this point, your chosen image should appear in the Writer document. You can easily adjust its size by clicking on the image and dragging the corner handles to resize it to your liking. Additionally, you can move the image around by clicking and dragging it to the desired location within your text. LibreOffice Writer offers various formatting options, so feel free to explore these to customize the appearance of your image, ensuring it fits well with your document's overall design. And there you have it. Inserting an image in LibreOffice Writer is a straightforward process that can enhance the visual impact of your documents. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively incorporate images, making your content not only more informative but also more visually engaging. Keep experimenting with different images and placements to see what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides on making the most out of your software tools. Happy writing!